Good evening, students. Today we are going to take exercise 3.7 fourth sum. In the last class we have seen third sum. Now we are doing fourth sum. இதில் என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? k plus 1 x square minus 2 bracket k minus 1 x plus 1 equal to 0. இதில் வந்து the equation has equal roots அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்கு. We are going to find the value of k. If the quadratic equation has equal roots, since the equation has equal roots, we know delta equal to 0. Condition நேசிக்கே நம்ம பார்த்தோம். If delta equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Delta oda value 0 means roots are real and equal. அப்ப delta equal to equal கொடுத்ததுனால delta equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. a value, b value, c வச்சோம். x side பக்கத்துல இருக்கிறது a, then coefficient of x b, this constant term is c. Now you substitute here minus 2 bracket k minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a into c. This is equal to 0 since delta equal to 0. So 4k plus 1 whole square minus 4 bracket k plus 1 equal to 0. So a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4 bracket k plus 1 equal to 0. Take 4 inside. 4k square plus 8k plus 4 minus 4k plus minus 4. Minus into plus minus 4 equal to 0. So plus 4 minus 4 cancel. So 4k square 8k minus 4k plus 4k equal to 0. So take 4 common. Here 4 2s are 8, then 4. Then afterwards here k minus 1 whole square, plus or minus. K minus 1 whole square, I have written k plus 1 whole square, so put minus. So here also put minus, then here also put minus. So k square minus 8k plus 1. So minus 8k minus 4k. So minus 4k minus into plus. So it is given minus 12k, minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. Then here plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Take 4 common. So k square minus k also common. Take k also common. So this is k minus 3 equal to 0. Take 4 common. Then k also common. So k minus 3 inside you have 1k. Then 4 3s are 12. Then write the remaining. Here we write k. So since 4 not equal to 0, 4 is a constant value. So k bracket k minus 3 equal to 0. So we simply k equal to 0, then k equal to 3. So k has 2 values. Since it is a quadratic equation, definitely we find 2 answers. Now let me check the answers. So k equal to 0 and 3. So this one is correct. Now go to the next sum. Show that the roots of the equation is equal to 0 or not real. Delta less than 0 அப்படினா roots are not real or unreal. So இதுதான் நமக்குரிய condition. So the answer should be negative. வர்ற answer negative வந்துனா delta value less than 0, therefore we can prove that the roots are not real. Here it is given not real. So substitute a value, b value, c value. So 2 bracket a plus b whole square minus 4 bracket a, then c, 2 bracket a square plus b square. So this is equal to 4 bracket a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4 2s are what? 4 2s are 8, then a square plus b square. This is equal to take 4 inside. So 4a square plus 8ab plus 4b square minus 8a square minus 8b square. Correct? So 4a square minus 8a square minus 4a square plus 4 minus 8 minus 4. Then plus 4 minus 8 again minus 4b square. Then the remaining is plus 8ab. Now take minus 4 common. You can take 4 table, take minus 4 common. So inside you have a square plus b square. Because you are taking minus sign outside, so you are writing the opposite side. Minus means plus, then plus means minus 2ab. Since 4 2s are 8, so you are writing 2ab. This is nothing but minus 4 bracket a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square expansion the this. So this is equal to, இது வந்து minus, whole square means the answer is always plus only. So here plus, so minus into plus minus. So therefore delta value minus la varadanaல this is less than 0. So since delta less than 0, this no need to write. Just now delta less than 0, therefore the roots are not real. The roots are not real. So we are showing that the roots are not real. நம்ம இதோடவே ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஜஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றதுக்காக மைனஸ் இன்டு பிளஸ் மைனஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கு. ஸோ இது வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின். கம்பல்சரி கொஸ்டின்ல இந்த கொஸ்டின் வர்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.